4 months, you may have some problem in understanding and presentation. But if you put your effort, it is not a difficult job for you. You want an example, I am the example. Up to my school education, I studied in a Panchayat Union school, municipal school, and up to 11th standard, I studied only Tamil medium. So where you start study is immaterial. What you want to achieve is material. So don't bring the medium. I want to tell you, whole world, if you go out, English is the common communication medium. You have to equip yourself in the communication and presentation skill. So rise up yourself, don't bother about the medium. So you have to write the examination either in English or Hindi, but you have to put little effort more. That will help you permanently.
I have completed my plus 2 from science background. Can I do CA?
Plus 2 level, any group, don't question science group. You can write CPT entrance examination, but only thing CPT entrance examination is having these 4 papers: accountancy, law, economics, mathematics. These 4 papers. Suppose you are a non-commerce student, you have to learn something accounts. In that case, immediately after plus 2, you may not in a position to write CPT entrance exam. What you can do, instead of writing in the month of June, after plus 2, you can prepare for accounts. Because you are a science student, you know maths very well. Economics and law is only English you have to understand properly. So you can prepare for 3-4 months. December entrance exam you can write. So there is no restriction. Only commerce student can only pursue CA course.
Is knowledge of maths essential for pursuing this course?
Knowledge of maths, good question. See, CPT level, you have the maths paper. Another maths application is in your final, when you are writing advanced management accounting, there you are having some quantitative research, maths knowledge. But in my personal opinion, plus 2 level you are having mathematics. The same mathematics knowledge level only expected in your CPT. But not all plus 2 mathematics. Some of the areas what you learned in 5th, 6th, 7th mathematics also coming. But once you cross the CPT level, the level of mathematics is maximum 8th standard mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with the help of a calculator.
Is there any recognized college or institution for pursuing this course?
See, the course is conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is a statutory body constituted under the Act of Parliament. This institute is having 5 regional offices, 135 branches all over the country. But I told you, it is a distance education program like a correspondence course. But at the same time, the institute and branches are conducting some curriculum of regular classes which is not mandatory. At your option, you can go and join those classes of the institute or branch, or lot of how IIT and IIMs, private coaching institutions are there. CA also private coaching institutions are there. You can go and study. That is your choice.
Can I attend regular college for BCom while doing CA?
After plus 2, you are joining CA. You can do regular college, but only one practical problem is there. When you are doing IPCC after CPT through the CPT stream from plus 2, there is no articleship period. You can go for the college. But the practical problem is, I assume you are a student passed in the first appearance, second year August month, you could have got your IPCC result as a successful candidate. Then you have to go for articleship. You have to compulsorily go in the office between 11 and 6. Day college or evening college, how you can manage the college? Most of the colleges after that ask you to pay all the 3 years fees. So you are penalizing your parents. Once you chosen a professional course, the highest professional body in the commerce, when you chosen the course, you do your curriculum of graduation through correspondence course. It is honest and sincere advice.
Do I have to write all the papers again even if I don't get through any one paper?
I already clarified this point. The pass mark for each paper is 40%. But each group, it is 50% aggregate. So if you are not got aggregate in that group, then all the papers of that group you have to write. Even you could have got all the papers above 40, but the aggregate is not 50, then that particular group you have to write. Why you are thinking starting level itself like a Britannia biscuit, 50-50. Always think 100. Sir, CA Institute is giving 100. CA Institute number of occasion given 100 out of 100 in accountancy. 96 in auditing. Only they expect you to write according to their expectation of presentation and quality of writing.
What should be the method of preparation?
How you prepared in your plus 2 exam? You audited the books or practiced the accounts books? Practice. So think over. Practice is the only solution for success. I would like to answer only one question. Every one of us sitting here can remember one of the great men in this country used a 3 feet length wood with a breadth of less than 6 inches. He earned more than crores and crores of rupees. His asset worth is more than 500 crores. Who is that person? Any of you know? Sachin Tendulkar. What he has done? Small cricket bat. What is the secret of success of him? He never felt like a CA student. Accountancy problem, how many times I have to practice? He never felt. So many times I am practicing, I am boring. Even he achieved world highest target. He is practicing. Every day he go for practice. So practice only make you perfect. So how to prepare examination? If you ask me, study, write and practice. Accountancy problem, don't audit the book, whether author done the answer correctly. Physically take the pen and write and practice. Practice only help you how much time you are consuming. Whatever you learned, when a particular subject, within 3 hours, you have to recollect, reproduce perfectly for the situation of the question.
Sir, what is the total cost of the course?
Total cost, how much we can spend? 20 lakhs? Like an engineering college or a medical college? If you sincerely ask me, the cost of the course as on date, including CPT, orientation, information technology training, IPCC, GMCS1, GMCS2, final, all put together will not cross more than 60,000. Less than a pre-KG course in India. You will get all the subject book material also. So, cost-wise, most economical professional course in this country. Even if you go for private coaching with all the levels, private coaching institution, it will not cross overall cost put together your institute fees and private coaching. It will never cross 2 lakhs rupees over a period of 4 years. But at the same time, your stipend, what you earn? If you get average, today average any office you go, they are giving around 5,000 rupees. Average 5,000, 3 years, 36 months, 1,80,000. So excess of expenditure is only 20,000 rupees. So how you prefer most economical course? Then
What are the prospects after completing CA?
prospects. Any field of finance you ask me. You know, one of the chartered accountant, in of the leading automobile company, Ashok Leyland, he was the managing director. One of the chartered accountant, one of the leading chemical industry, refinery, he was the managing director. There is no yardstick you can go only reach this level. Any level you can reach. That's what I used to tell. You join a company, you can go to the level of a CEO. Same thing, if you come for practice, sky is the level. The CA curriculum in finance is the best curriculum in India in commerce field. No educational institution, no Master of Business Administration, MBA course covers this much of syllabus widely. No course is giving this much of practical training to the student. So you can join a company, you can join any institution, you can join banking sector, investment sector, any sector you want for employment, opportunities are there. That's what CA means, anywhere, everywhere.
Sir, can I pursue any other course like CMA or CS so as to get a better recognition?
Sir, CA Institute is concerned, when you are pursuing CA, they permit you to do one more additional course. If you are from +2 level when you are coming, you are doing graduation. You are asking about CMA. Cost Accountancy of India or Company Secretary of India. That is your choice. But ultimately, I will tell you, all these qualifications in your life is only an entry pass to enter a management level. Once you qualify, your performance and delivery to the client, performance and delivery to the organization speaks. This is already a best qualification in this country, recognized in the world. After that, any other additional qualification, it is only ordered name. According to me, not your degree will go with your growth.
Should I be very intelligent to clear the exams?
Intelligence is required, but more than that, presence of mind and application of mind is necessary. See, why CA students are failing in the examination? Lack of practice. Secondly, for example, the accountancy or costing or tax paper, wherever the calculations are coming, they concentrate only on the final answer. But as a professional institution, we expect the students to present systematically. So, intelligence is not required, in-depth study is required.
Sir, if I join any private coaching classes, in what way will it be helpful for me?
It depends. See, everybody in this world achieved only through coaching. Sachin Tendulkar is having his own coach. The world's best tennis players are having their own coach. Best musicians are having their own coach. Success only comes through coaching. Coaching is what? He is the mentor. He is guiding you how you have to succeed. So, if you feel, see, it is not mandatory or compulsory, but if you feel somebody can guide me, any players are there? Anybody played any games in the school as a team player? No one? What game you played?
I played cricket.
Cricket when you played, do you have a coach or not? You have a coach, am I right? When you play cricket, you commit a mistake in bowling or fielding or batting, what the coach will do? Don't worry, like that you will tell. What you will do?
He will scold and correct me.
He scold and
correct me.
That is what important. If you have a coach with you, whenever you commit a mistake, he will scold. When he scold, what you will do? Next day you will not go for practice. Am I right? You go for practice or you don't go for practice? Why? He has already scolded you. Why you are going for practice?
To gain more knowledge about the game.
To gain more. Do want yourself to be more fit for the particular team. Same thing. The attitude is important in coaching. What is missing in coaching in sports, coaching in music, coaching in dance? There the coaches are also finding fault with their students, correcting the students, but the students are very happy. But in the classroom coaching, the teacher finds the mistake with the student, he also scold what the student is doing, Gandhian movement, non-cooperation. I will not next day come. Don't commit that type of mistake. He is also interested in your career. So, coaching also make you come up in life. For that, so many institutions are there. Institute is also giving private coaching. Even though it is a distance education, institute also through its regional offices, through its branches offices, they are giving coaching. Lot of private coaching centers also there. Number of coaching centers are there. So, there you can do it.
Sir, does Guru Kripa conduct such CA classes, sir?
Sir, if you ask me, we are an institution for the last 12 years in this CA coaching curriculum. Practically, if you ask me, in whole of this country, this is the only educational institution published all subject books from all levels, CPT to final level, all subject books we have published. And it is recognized by the student, accepted by the students, and they are successful all over India. That is one side for your material preparation. Secondly, we are also having coachings from the CPT level, IPCC level, final level. CPT level, we are having coaching immediately after +2, 2 months serious level coaching, every day conducting examination like 2 hours examination, like an institute style, 100 questions you have to answer. 2.5 months very rigorous, serious coaching. IPCC level, we are conducting coaching like a college, full time, not subject wise, not multiple choice, your choice. Full time, all subject together at one place like a college, either morning or evening batches. There also we are conducting every Sunday examination, not test. 3 hours examination in the same pattern in the past how the institute conduct the examination and evaluate the students. 4 to 5 model examinations are conducted during the course of 6 months on all subjects. That is also going on. Final level also we are having full-time coaching. According to the choice of the student, he can attend at the batches. So at all level, we are also having coaching classes. We are also published the book. Both the manner we are helping the students. In addition to that, we are having our website www.shrigurukrupa.com. Through that website, we are giving all the academic updations required for the students for immediately next eligible examination. Latest amendments, latest case laws, latest circulars, latest institute notification, which is necessary to equip himself to face the examination. We are giving all the details. So this is the way Guru Krupa support. You want anything more, you mail it to us. We are here to serve for you.
Do banks offer loan for pursuing CA course?
Sir, as per Reserve Bank of India guidelines, CA is also one of the recognized course to higher education loan. Some of the banks are giving, if you take, they are giving for even attending private coaching classes. I know one of the banks, corporation bank, they are giving a loan, corp tutor. In that scheme, a CA student can go for loan. Like that, every bank is having their own scheme. For that, you have to approach the local branch manager. Since your loan is, I already told the cost does not exceed more than 2 lakhs. And since the loan is going to be below 4 lakhs, they will not ask you any collateral security or guarantee. Only thing is, after taking the loan, completion of the course, you should be a honest citizen and honest repayer to the bank. My dear students, now you are in the last year of your college. You want to do some professional course. What is the professional course you can choose? Beginning of the 3rd year itself, you can plan. If you have chosen a commerce curriculum, it is most advantageous for you. You can choose chartered accountancy course. You can plan after the college. You can directly enter chartered accountancy course curriculum. What is the procedure for that? Graduate or postgraduate in commerce, having 3 papers minimum, accounts, law or economics. Max is there. They completed the curriculum with minimum 55% marks. Then they can directly enter CA IPCC course. You are not required to write the entrance examination, common proficiency test, CPT examination. Or you are a non-commerce student, maths, physics, chemistry, or biology or zoology, any arts group. If you secured 60% in your graduation or post-graduation exam, then you can directly join CA course. Or you completed your inter-level of company secretaryship course or inter-level of cost accountancy course. Directly you can enter CA level. You want to join chartered accountancy course, plan in the 3rd year. Last semester. During the month of January, go and register with the CA Institute for Orientation Program and Information Technology Program during the period of 3rd year. Tell that you are the 3rd year commerce students or non-commerce students, produce your evidence of certificate already for the declared result, the 3rd year result paper before the articleship commences. You can submit the paper before your 3rd year result comes. Complete these formalities. You want, already decided, you want some coaching, private coaching. That also you join in the month of February itself. because so many coaching institutions are helping the direct entry students. So what you can do, February to July, you can plan orientation program of the CA Institute, information technology training program of the CA Institute, as well as the coaching you required for your IPCC exam. During the month of July, you register for articleship. Before 31st July, you have to register. Then you are eligible to write next year, May. That means this year, May, you return college exam. Next year, May, you can write IPCC exam. Why I ask you to complete the classes before joining for articleship? During the articleship, you have to work for 9 to 10 hours. That is, articleship period may be, office time may be 10 to 6. But what happens, you may go for articleship, but preparation of going for the office, coming out of the office, 10 hours average it will take. 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours for your sleeping. 1 or 2 hours for your personal work. So, that time you want to go attend classes and other thing, you don't have find time for your own preparation. So, complete the classes before July. Join the articleship in the month of July. Then concentrate on your articleship. Already you studied the subject, now you are doing articleship. So, plan yourself minimum 35 hours per week to 40 hours a week. That is your choice. But every day you have to study 4 hours a day. Then comfortably you can write your IPCC examination in the month of May. Successfully you can come out. Before the time, in the 9 months, you have to attend a GMCS course also. In that GMCS 1 course, 15 days training will be given. That also you have to attend. So, these procedures you can complete. Then, during the last 2 years of articleship, one more GMCS course you have to undergo, that is GMCS 2, that is also for 15 days. That also will be conducted by the institute. For that, separate fees will be charged. End of the 3rd year of your July, you can get your final result and you can become a chartered accountant, provided, subject to one condition, you have passed the IPCC in time and you are writing your final exam in the last 6 months of your articleship. Then, at the age of 24, you are a chartered accountant. After your exam, you got the result. Every year, the institute is arranging in the month of March and September, separate campus interview, almost 15 to 16 places all over India. Various companies are participating in campus interviews, and the recruitment will be done by the companies, or you can apply directly to various companies or various employment portal and get yourself selected for employment. Or if you want to come for practice, lot of scope is there. Either you can start your own practice or you can join with a practicing chartered accountant and gain experience and join the firm as a partner over a period of time and run your career as a chartered accountant.